Hey guys, before I start the video, I just wanted to tell you that yes, I will be working on my Raven cosplay. It's just I put this one on hold for that one, and there are some things that aren't going my way, so I am going to take down my cape video because I don't know, once I got like all the other pieces that I bought, it just didn't come together the way I wanted to. With this cosplay, I actually have a backup just in case the outfit I make for my Heartless cosplay doesn't work out. So I know the prop is going to turn out just fine. I'll have guidance and help and just like everything I need. But with my Raven cosplay, I absolutely have no idea what I'm doing and I'm kind of freaking out. So just bear with me, and I hope you can enjoy this video. You will see more like Raven stuff on this channel eventually. You will see more of me making my Heartless cosplay, so just bear with me for now. I will see you guys later, and I just hope you enjoy this video for now. Bye!